Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Look, guys. Y'all see this steering wheel? Y'all see me going straight? This steering wheel is all over the place. Alright, guys. This test drive has been totally cut short. Okay, because it's still, I got traction control, lights and stuff on. My steering wheel is straight. And while I'm driving, this thing is bouncing around. So something is damaging the front suspension. I'm not gonna test drive this, guys. I might not make it back. So, this is real loose. Oh, by the way, this, what, I don't know, 2010 Chrysler 300. I don't know what year, but 72,000 miles. Not many, but it's a true sign of feeling of something has been damaged. Oh, I am straight. Whoa. All right, no test driving for me, guys. All right, guys, hold tight. Next time y'all see me. Whoa, did y'all feel that? Y'all didn't feel it. All right, guys, I got to get this thing in the air. We have to inspect this front suspension. I don't know, could be cradle damage, could be anything. Could be something was hit or damaged. Tie rods or anything. We will not know until I inspect the suspension. But however, I am a firm believer in test drive. But in this case, it's like the wheels fighting against each other, guys. Dog tracking. Y'all ever heard of the term dog tracking? The front wheels are fighting against each other. You can tell by the way it's fighting, it's pulling. Alright, I'll tell you what, guys, let me find a way to get this thing in the air. And we'll do some front suspension check. Alright, stay tuned. Oh, righty, guys. I have this thing in the air. Now, why on earth? Whoa. Whoa. Wait a minute. Oh man, y'all know what? I've seen this on PT Cruisers, guys. Number one, this is the wrong rack and tie rod setup on this car. This is supposed to be a straight shot. What the hell am I looking at? Wait a minute. Okay, my eyes are cross-eyed. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Alright. Yes, the tires was fighting against each other. That's because the tie rod is, oh, not tie rod, the rack and pinion is bent. This must be an all-wheel drive. Yes, it is. Yes, guys, I can tell an all-wheel drive setup. Y'all know on a normal 300, the rack set like in here, but because they needed axles to put in this area, it's an all-wheel drive, so they needed axles to put in this area, so they had to relocate the rack to this area. Even the steering linkage is different, so yes, that makes sense. Although I am totally no big fan of all-wheel drive. Yes, in order to be all-wheel drive, you have to have a piece of device that would transfer the torque. PTU, some call it a PTU, some call it a transfer case. All right. That is what this is. So you'll have an axle coming out of one side for, in this case, the front wheels going uphill, and it's going to transfer torque to each wheels, and you have the other side drive axle going to the rear to transfer torque to the rear wheels. So it's an all-wheel drive setup. But that is why my steering is fighting, guys. Yes, I'm not crazy. Am I? No, I'm not crazy, guys. This is bent. What the hell happened? Now, some places or some cars, it's hard to find a place to pull these, guys. And a lot of tow truck drivers will simply throw their hook back here and grab on the first. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, my goodness. Man, see, I like to imagine, imagine if I'd have went on that test drive I wanted to, guys. That could have been ugly. This wheel could have literally stretched and fell off. I'm glad I let y'all talk me out of that test drive. I appreciate y'all, fellas. Because this, now, so my job, guys, I have to inspect the complete front suspension. All right, there's a chance that they have ruined these tires because the tires has been driven fighting against each other. So yes, I will. I need gloves on. I need to go get some gloves. But the steering wheel is straight and this wheel is veered toward the left. Guys, I'm gonna tell y'all something about doing anything suspension related. You are now married to this car. This is an all-wheel drive setup. I hate these. Okay, I'm no big fan of freaking all-wheel drive because they're gonna always have nagging. Oh my god, and it's an older model car. I did not know. Look at that. That broke. No, you ain't. This rack is how about this side? Yeah, you can't move that side. So they either hit some. What y'all think? They hit some in the road, or tow truck driver. So, but why would a tow truck driver? It was towed in because it wouldn't drive, not because, or because they felt this was dangerous. But that means this was happened. This was here before the tow truck driver got here. Because if you had to find a way to pull something, you would likely. I don't know. I guess I would grab on this. I definitely wouldn't grab on the tie rod. Now I'm speculating, guys. I don't know if this is what they did or not. So, and I'll never know because nobody would never tell the truth. What y'all think? All right, I have to start, and I got to use that term, start, because we can get burnt by not using that term. So I have to start with a rack and pinion and front end alignment. Now, guys, I'm gonna do some more inspection off camera because I can't hold the camera and inspect. But I will be, you know the drill, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. We'll be checking hub bearings, things like that. Again, I was unable to drive it because of the looseness in the suspension. All right, so I have to check the whole complete suspension. But for now, just to let y'all know, yeah, we just do this part one until they approve something, and then I will explain the rest why I chose to do what I did. All right, guys, is that fair enough? Oh wow, yeah, that's fair enough. Either I'm real strong or this is just super weak. Well, anyway, guys, that's all I have for right now. I want y'all to stay tuned for part 2. Man, and you know what, guys? Look, this is a new weight, which tells me somebody just had this wheel off to do an alignment. See, this is where managers start getting scared, or the unknown is what really bothers managers. That's a new weight, so they just had new tires or something put on here. Now we about to go dig into the customer ear and find out what has been done on this car. I see brand new weights on here. Somebody just rotate and balance the tires. I don't know. Alright, guys, I tell y'all what, y'all stay tuned, okay? And I will be y'all remember I got burnt on this. Look, the bleeder screw is above. This is gonna stick with you for the rest of your life if it ever happened to you. Alright, guys, stay tuned.